This tutorial is about how I build layers in my images, how much time it takes to make them a valuable part of the work. At first, I wet the surface of the page so as to ensure a better combination of colors laid on the wet surface. You can observe how beautifully the colors intermingle. I use earthy colors, browns and oranges, and also add turquoise to give the page the color of an old rusted door. I take up the excess paint with paper handkerchief, and this creates more unintended marks on the surface of the work. It's time for another layer of images. I'm using a caption stencil, where the important element is the caption between. The other words are not important to me. They only serve to enhance the background. The texture of the painting is important to me, so now I add paint through the stencil in the form of a thick paste so that it remains convex. It's a keyhole, an important part of this page in the A. Once dry, I bent over another layer of work, made through a stencil with Moorish tiles. And another layer, this time made with markers. I create a surface on which I will immediately put lighter spots. Now I'm concerned with muting the elements that are undesirable on the edging. They must be abandoned for the good of the whole picture. I reach for alcohol ink in orange to change the previously painted white spots. I love inks. I use them always, whether needed or not needed. Random effects please my eye. Underline in black marker, an important element for me. Since the ink has faded, I once again go back to the stains and paint orange marks on them again. I emphasize the most important element of this work for me, the keyhole, behind which perhaps something new and beautiful is waiting for me. Is it enough to take a look? I still paint dewdrops, some small decorative elements. I do it with such flair that I did not notice that I shake the whole table, and unfortunately the picture you see too. Please write in the comments what is difficult for you in painting backgrounds. I will try to lean into these topics and make videos about them. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it will inspire you to paint in the near future. My warmest greetings to you, Agnes.